Hello beautiful people, welcome to the channel. This is your monkey beat. On this one today I'm going to teach you how you are going to save your computer CPU from freezing after loading some plugins and some effects. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit on the small bell over there so you can get any updated videos. Now I have a project that I've been working on, and let's have a look at what I was trying to tell you. So let's play this part and see what's going to happen. You see, this is exactly what I was talking about. The project was done on a different computer and I transferred the data onto this PC, and I can see there's a lot of work to do here because my computer CPU cannot contain the effect on all these plugins that I have loaded. As you can see, I have different plugins and some effects on each instrument. I have effects on them. I have some effects on them, and it is freezing up my computer. So this is what we are going to do. We go to tools, macros, switch smart disable for all plugins. I'm going to select only this part, and I am going to consolidate all these instruments into a sample loop. So this is what we are going to do. If I select this, then right click, go to consolidate, nothing is freezing up and it is running smooth. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's consolidate this one too. Time selection, start. Yes, this is another one. So after this one, we go to the next one. Before we do that, let's play this one and see. Let's add this one. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's add our drums to it. Let's add our drums to it. You see that place we have a problem. So now let's listen to all that we've done so far. We get to the parts where the files are not consolidated, our computer has started freezing up. Though I've disabled all the instruments over here, but still our computer is freezing up. So this is what you have to do if you want to save your CPU from freezing. Guys, thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and don't forget to hit that small bell over there. It's very important. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.